Hello everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to explore interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. In this video we will talk about adjectives or sanatoch. Let's start. As we know, adjectives describe the properties of nouns, for example, color, size, shape, or taste. They can also be used to compare two or more objects. In the Kyrgyz language, adjectives answer the questions kanday, what kind, and kaysı, which. Now, let's look at the position of adjectives in sentences. If there is a verb, possessive pronoun, or another adjective, then the adjective comes before the noun. For example, Kırgızistan'ın kızıl jileği var. Kyrgyzstan has a red flag. If a sentence is without a verb, then the adjective comes at the end of sentence, after a noun. Note: the Kyrgyz language has no verb to be. For example, Kırgızistan'ın jileği kızıl. The flag of Kyrgyzstan is red. To compare two or more things, we use the comparative degree of adjectives. For example, Issıkköl Sonköl'den çoğurak. Issıkköl Lake is bigger than Songköl Lake. Let's break this down. As you can see in the example, we add to the second noun the ablative case ending "dan", which here functions like the English word then. Then we add the comparative ending "rak" to the end of the adjective. The vowels in those endings can change according to the law of harmony. Let's look at some more examples. Menin uyum mektepten alısırak. My home is farther away than the school. Сабактар былтыркыдан көбүрөөк. There are more lessons than in the previous year. Университет үйлөрдөн бийигирээк. The university building is taller than the houses. What about the superlative degree of adjectives? In this case, we use words such as en, ötö, abdan, and ayabay in front of the adjective. All those words mean very. For example, Nарын Kırgızistan'dагы ең uzun дария. Nарын River is the longest river in Kyrgyzstan. Sarıçelek abdan Koğuz Göl. Sarıçelek is the most beautiful lake. Batken Bishkek'ten ayabay alыс. Batken is the farthest city from Bishkek. We can turn nouns into adjectives by adding special endings like lu and day. For example, payda means benefit. When we add the ending lu, it becomes paydalu, which means useful. Please note, those endings can change according to the law of harmony. Let's look at other examples. Su, water. Suday tunuk can düğünü. A soul transparent like water. To, mountain. Toğdoy büyük maksat. A goal high like a mountain. Please pay attention. The ending day changed to doy according to the law of harmony. Bala, child. Balaluy, bazar. A house where there is a child is always noisy. Bilim, education. Bilimdүү жаштар өлкөнүн келечеги. The educated youth people are the future of the country. Please pay attention. The ending lu changed to do according to the law of harmony. To create negative adjectives out of nouns, we can use the ending sız, which is similar to an or less in English. This ending can change according to the law of harmony. Let's take the words from above. To, mountain. To'suz, without mountains. Jöndöm, ability. Jöndömsüz, unable. Bilim, education. Bilimsiz, uneducated. At the end of our video, let's learn some common adjectives. Kımbat, expensive. Arzan, cheap. Tatlı, sweet. Achu, spicy. Canı, new. eski, old. Çoğun, big, kiçine, small. Cengil, light or heavy. Uzun, long, kısa, short. Today we talk about adjectives. In the next video we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкөнчө.